Yo, welcome back. How are y'all doing? Hope y'all are doing good. Today, we're in the garage. How exciting. But, more importantly, our business, this guy, needs an oil change. We're gonna get right into that, shall we? First order of business. We need to get this thing warmed up just slightly. And to do that, was that tough? Be honest, be honest. Let it run for a second. Get the oil a little thinned up. Now nice and easy. All right. What the hell? That should be good. All right, so boom. I think we got it properly warmed up now. So we gotta drain the oil. And I gotta find the drain bolt. And then the oil will come out once I remove it. Anyways, as far as I know, it should just be right here, somewhere in there. Let's see. Yeah, right there. So let me just go ahead and remove that joint. Grab one of our, I think it's supposed to be a 17 millimeter. Let's see. That seems to slot on there nicely. Connect that joint. Broken off. Kind of smashed my thumb a little bit. Oh well. What are you gonna do about it? Bring this over here. Slide it right underneath to catch all that good. And where'd it go? I do not have any gloves. So I'm gonna need some paper towels to try and keep my hands somewhat clean. Try not get any on the fingers and also not drop it. All right, didn't do that great of a job, but there it goes. For an hour. How exciting. So while that's draining, I'm just gonna take a look at our oil filter right here. It's kind of tucked in there compared to this bike over here. This bike is just right up front for you, but this one's tucked in here. So we'll see if that's a problem or not. I do have this thing that I bought last time for this, but I never actually used it because there was already a nut on the actual filter itself. But I think this time I probably will have to try and use this thing. But with it being kind of tucked up in there, I'm kind of worried, guys. This thing's kind of funky looking. We'll see if it does the job or not. Or if this simple little oil change will turn into a multi-day extravaganza. Because I don't have that much time to do this. And also it looks like it's gonna absolutely spill everywhere if I do end up getting it off. So maybe I'll try and, I don't know, tuck this in here to try and stop some of the oil from getting absolutely everywhere. Who knows? I think we probably should be good to go in now. Guys, it like tightens, but then once it's finally tightened down, I don't have enough room to move more. Oh goodness, guys. Maybe just my hand. All right, that was stupid. All right, so this goofy little tool does not seem to be what I am requiring. So I think I'm gonna head to I don't know, AutoZone or something. Try and find one of those like socket things that can help me out, because this is a little ridiculous. All right, just got back from the store, picked up one of these little end cap socket wrench thingy-majigs. Let's see if it works, I guess. Slides on there quite nicely, I'll say that. Ooh, the question is, are we gonna be able to get in there enough to get it out? I'm gonna keep it a buck. It does not seem like it's the right size because it's just slipping and sliding around. Oh goodness, guys. Should I try this dumbass thing again? Holy moly. What can I do? What can I do? Is this a dumb idea? Try and slip this in here and maybe it'll make it just tight enough to get some action going. Is that stupid? I don't think it'll hurt to try. I swear it worked. I swear it worked for just the briefest of seconds. Is this a dumb idea? Be honest. This thing is way too big for this. Yeah, there's no way. Well, what the hell? What am I to do? This thing is on here so damn tight. Oh boy. I just loosened it. I went and bought one of these things, and I just got it loose. I think I low-key crushed it a little bit in the process, but who cares? Who cares? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, a lot more than I expected. Yeah, look at this thing. I done crushed it. Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping. Guys, that paper towel was clutch. Looks like I stopped most of the oil from getting absolutely everywhere. That's getting everything off. And luckily in the future, I got myself a K&N filter, so it has that nut on there. So I don't have to worry about any of that BS again. Holy moly. And of course I'm putting some Kawasaki oil in there. Should be good. Get this bad boy open. Get a little bit of that oil on the seal. All up in there. Should be good. So just get right on. Boom. Finger tight. And then in just a quarter turn more. And then drain plug. I think there's supposed to be a washer, I'm not entirely sure, but there wasn't one on there, so I'm just gonna send it. Alright, get this bad boy. Tighten this a little bit. Boom. And then we're gonna head on over to the other side. Should be able to, hold on, hold. My dumb, stupid, goofy. There it goes. Take off this bad boy, pop that in there. We should just be able to pour some in. I think this takes like a little more than 3 quarts, so it should be most of this. And then we just gotta open this up right now. Is that tough? Just let it run for a little bit. I guess that's it. Let it run. Didn't see any leaks or anything, so we should be good. But yeah, should good to go. Ready to rip along the streets. If you're planning on doing this, make sure you got the tools. This has been an amateur doing it, and I didn't have that fun of a time. It was supposed to be quite quick, but it took me about 2 hours. Oh well, but it should be easier next time. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed watching me struggle, and I'll catch y'all whenever I catch y'all. Whenever you catch me. Whenever I'm catching you, catch me, catch you, catch me, catch me. Deuces.